Welcome back to the Shreve Crump and Low YouTube channel. Please click that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on all of our newest videos. Today we will be discussing a masterpiece, the Black Dial Lange Zeitwerk striking time in white gold. The Black Dial features a jumping hour and minute display as well as exhibition caseback. This watch, made in Glashütte, Germany, is the epitome of German craftsmanship. As we remove the outer box sleeve, you will find your set of Lange documentation, including your owner's manual and service warranty specific to your new watch. Upon opening the box, you will immediately be struck by the craftsmanship of this finely made German machine. Inspired by the historic clock from the nearby Semper Opera House in Dresden, the unique digital display provides ultimate legibility. While this watch is not a minute repeater, it does strike on the quarter, half, and full hours, the quarter and half hours being chimed at a higher pitch than the full hours at a slightly lower pitch. The delightful chime is powered by Lange's masterful in-house design caliber L043.2 manual movement that combines 78 rubies, 528 parts, and 2 gold chatons that supply power over the course of 36 hours. The digital display is accompanied by a small seconds at the 6 o'clock, flanked by black polished hammers and 2 circular gongs, as well as one of Lange's innovative power reserve indications at the 12 o'clock, designating Ab for down power and Off for up power. As we turn to the rear of the watch, you will enjoy the exhibition caseback, which reveals the absolutely stunning and superior world-class movement finishing Lange has become famed for. As we move to the side of the case, you note the watch possesses a substantial wrist presence, while the luxurious black alligator strap and 18-karat white gold pin buckle keep it securely fastened and balanced on any sized wrist. The Zeitwerk striking is the perfect statement watch for any occasion. Shreve Crump and Low is proud to be an authorized retailer for Lange in the Boston area and many other fine brands. To inquire about this Lange timepiece or to view our entire collection, please head to www.shrevecrumpandlow.com or send us an email at sales@shrevecrumpandlow.com. Follow us on Instagram at Shreve Crump Low. We hope to hear from you very soon.